Hello, hi. Wait, do you know somebody who's looking for the fruits of the womb? Or are you the one? Or do you have anybody around you that have been clamoring to have the fruit of the womb? Or do you know somebody who has given birth to only one child, but he wish he have birth, or he wish he give birth to more children? Or no, do you know somebody who has been in hospital for countless time, and yet the doctor told him or her that you don't have any problem, yet he has not healed, yet children are not coming? Or no, or do you know somebody that's giving birth, whenever he gives birth to a child, that child automatically dies? Yes. Or do you know somebody that every time he's in the dream, he sees himself or herself carrying child, but in a physical realm, he has no children? Oh, yes. Or do you know somebody that the doctors have told him or her that you have no chances of giving birth again? Or do you know somebody that has always been in the hospital and every single day of her life she wish she has a child? Now worry no more. I want you to just watch this video, share it to as many people as you can share it to. If you are that kind of person that is looking for the fruit of the womb, if you're that person that you're looking for a child, if you're that person that have tried all you think you could, and yet you're not being able to conceive, sorry, I want you to take this video very serious. Or you know someone, be it a relation, be it a family member, that's been looking for the fruit of the womb for a very long time, and they have been in the hospital, and they have been in everywhere. They have taken all predicaments, they have taken all treatments, they have been to many labs, they have been to many hospitals. Still yet the doctors keep on telling them you don't have any problem, and still yet they're not able to conceive a child. Now wait, I want you to watch this. Follow this little spiritual recipe I'm going to let you know now, that has no side effect. And believe you me, you've done that person a marvelous thing in her life, that she is going to be able to conceive in a short while. Look at what you need. All you need for this ritual, you only need one egg in one padlock. I said one egg in one padlock. These are the two things you need for this ritual to be effective. Now, you as a woman, you are looking for the fruit of the womb. You've tried many things. You've been to hospitals. Still, yet they keep on telling you that you don't have any problem, or that you have your womb ready, but we don't know why you've not been able to conceive. Or you find yourself that you've tried everything, and it's as if it is not working. Now, I want you to do this. What you're going to do is you look for egg, any kind of egg of your choice. If you truly want a child, if you truly want to hear the cry of a baby in your house, just look for one egg. One native egg like this is enough. Then you buy any padlock of your choice. Just new padlock. This is what you need for this ritual. You buy one egg and one new padlock. Then what you're going to do is this. Very early in the morning or at the middle of the night, any time that suits you, any time you feel is the best time for you to do this, get this egg, get into your bathroom, use this egg to rub all over your body. As you're rubbing this egg all over your body, you start by calling your own name. For instance, your name is Cynthia. I, Cynthia, today, anything that is blocking my womb, I remove it. Anything that is blocking children from coming to my way, I remove it. As you are rubbing this egg on your body, you pray. As you are rubbing this egg on your body, you pray. After rubbing this egg all over your body, put this egg inside your bath water. Use that water to bath. As you are bathing, you say you are washing off anything has dented you, both spiritually and physically, that is causing you a blockage, that is making you not to be able to conceive, that is making you not to be able to bear children, that you wash it off. Whereas this egg is still inside the pocket of water that you're using to bath. After taking all your whole bath, bring this egg out, speak to this egg, say, today, as I am breaking this egg, I am breaking every yoke of barrenness in my life. As I'm breaking this egg, I'm breaking every yoke of disappointment in my life. As I'm breaking this egg, I'm breaking every yoke of setback, every yoke of childlessness in my life. I'm breaking this egg. After saying it, spit on this egg once, wave this egg over your head anti-clockwise once, break it inside or wash and break inside your toilet. That is your system. Where you know you can flush it, you break it inside there, flush it. Before you flushing this, add it salt. Add it salt. Add salt to wherever you broke this thing. That's why I said when you're going to break it, you break it inside your toilet, add it salt and flush it there. Then after flushing it, when you come outside, you get this key. This is the most important of this ritual. You get this key. When you get this key, you hold this key with your hand. Look at the way I'm holding it. Hold this key with your two hands. Call your name 3 times. Decree and declare. Be touching this key all over your body. Say, today, Any road, every block road that is carrying my children away in the spiritual realm, today I open that road. Every road in my life that is blocked, that is making me not to have children, today I unlock that road. Any road that is making children not to come to me, today I unlock that road. As you are speaking to this key, you are rubbing this key all over your body. As you are speaking to this key, you are rubbing this key all over your body. As you are speaking to this key, you are rubbing this key all over your body. After speaking to this key, then you open it. Once you open this padlock, then you start speaking. You say, as this padlock is open, so is my womb open to conceive. As this padlock is open, so is my womb open to conceive. So is my womb open to conceive in the morning. So is my womb open to conceive in the evening, afternoon, and night. After speaking, then after praying, you spit on this key. Keep this padlock, the particular ones already that you've opened, you keep it the way you open it. Then you see this key. You see this? You see this key? You see this key? This is the padlock. This is the key. You see this key? You're going to carry this key. Look for where children, maybe nursery primary school, where you know that children are always there, or in Sunday schools where you know you can easily find children, or in marketplace where you know you can easily find children, or in motherless baby home where you know you can easily find children. You carry this key. This key you're seeing like this. You take this key, use this key to pray. After using this key to pray according to your wishes, go to any place you know that you always see children. Go to any place that you know that children are always around that place. If you get there, drop this key in that place. Drop this key where you know that children are there. Be it a motherless baby, be it in Sunday school, a place where you know that children are always there, that there's no how you come there without seeing children. Be it in children primary school, be it in any way that you know that yes, children, this is our children area, or this is a spot where children always pray. Carry the key, go and throw it that place. That area that you know that children always pray there. My sister, if only you can follow this ritual, this recipe, it's very simple. If only you can do this, believe you me, the next hospital you're going to go, they will tell you are 1 week gone or 2 weeks gone. Believe you me, the next hospital you're going to go, you'll be amazed that your prayers has been answered. Just try this and thank me later. And the only thing you can do to save another person, a clamoring mother who is crying for the child of the womb, for the fruit of the womb, is to send this video to the person and I'm waiting for your testimony. Thank you, God bless. If there's anything I send in this video and you did not understand, you can watch the video to get more. I'm waiting for your question. Thank you. God bless.